I just Ubered from the airport, so I'm here at Excalibur. I'm waiting for Sam. Sam spent the night here, and then we're gonna try to figure out our next hotel situation because this isn't actually the hotel we're staying at, even though we're actually gonna be hanging out at the campsite anyways. So it's like a lot of mixed stuff going on, so we're trying to figure out all this whole hotel situation because we haven't even checked in yet. I think we're gonna head over to Lexi's hotel room, just kind of drop off our stuff for now though. The hotel's pretty big. I don't know if Sam can even find me. I might just go grab a drink. So I was gambling while I was waiting for Sam and I won $57. Hey, yeah. I'm gonna spin it on hookers.
You're the best. Good. I'm not okay, but I'm okay. I'm thriving and surviving.
We're thriving up in here. So this is the outfit I'm going with for today. Got black paint there. You perp. Hello. Everyone's just kind of chilling out. We're just kind of waiting. We're getting ready right now. We'll hopefully go to the campsite very soon. I'm trying to hype them up, telling them that the campsite is the shit, because it really is. It's a whole fucking village of just, all the ravers are already there. Like, it's a whole party. Actually, last year, I didn't even go inside the fucking festival until 8:30 because we were having so much fucking fun at the campsite. It was so crazy. All right, so we snuck into the campground by accident, even though we have camping passes. We can't get our camping passes because 2 p.m. is when they close, so we snuck in somehow. I'm with everybody still, here, and then all the way over there. We're gonna go find our friends Julian. Okay, so my boy, my girl, they're on 39th Street, we're on 35th Street, and they're getting lazy. I think I just need to dish the shit out of them. They're getting lazy.
Excuse me, who?
Hello. Damn, boing, 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 boing. Oh my God! After hours of walking and driving and flying and dropping GloFX goggles, oh, we're finally here. Yes, bitch, we're fucking here. We're the main fucking characters. Fuck everybody else. We're the main characters. The man himself. God damn, Julie. God damn. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Oh, my baby.
Hi.
Oh.
Good to see you.
Lexi.
I am so happy to see you guys. I'm no longer sad. All right, so we're gonna walk to the campgrounds here with the fam. We're all just really drunk now. Wait, oh look, Sammy Poo. Sam, kiss the camera a little bit. Julian, you got a fat ass, bro.
Been working hard.
How do you feel about that, bro?
A lot of hard work.
You do be working out a lot, I can tell.
Done 2 squats my whole life.
Oh, look at you. You look nice and cute. Oh. Okay, wait. Whoa.
Not ready.
For those of you guys don't know, this is Sam Cecil, aka Rave Basement.
Okay, vibe.
One of my best friends. Wow, we found these 2 hot bitches! And we can't forget the third one. Oh my God! Oh, I love you. Oh, my baby. All right, so Operation Get My Wristbands did not work. We are just going to have fun and get it tomorrow morning. I don't know, it is what it is, so. I'm hanging out with great people, great friends, so we're just gonna work about it tomorrow. I'm not off time for this shit. Sorry, bud.
Oh, hola.
What up, my guy? Hey, so we out here at EDC Las Vegas. I'm here with one of my best friends, Sam Cecil. He lives in Pensacola, but he'll move to Orlando very much soon. And you're gonna see a lot more vlogs with a lot of him in it. It's gonna be great. Fucking love this guy. And then we got our girls from the hood, the girls from the squad. They look beautiful as ever. Obviously, gorgeous human beings. My babies. All right, this is the home stretch. This is it. Right there. Hey, Bubba.
Let's go.
Getting our security check. Ooh.
So I have to say, loving the podcast and all the content. This is my husband.
Hello, husband. Good, good. I see pictures of you on Instagram. I don't know much about you, but I do see you at least.
Same.
He does post about you at least.
I would never.
Yes,
I don't know
you
what you're
would.
talking
You're
about.
the main character, bitch.
I'm trying.
Lexi, how many times did I get recognized today?
We had to stop a billion times. I'm tired of stopping.
Well, when you travel with famous people, you know it happens. It happens.
Yeah, it definitely happens. It takes us an hour to get anywhere. Get in between these.
All right.
Get in between these.
1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. And we'll do more like this. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Why are the regular bathrooms less packed than the GA plus ones at VIP?
You'll never know.
We'll never know.
Actually, can you guys give me a drink? I don't think
Beep beep bop bop beep beep bop boop. What the fuck? If you guys don't remember him, he was on the podcast.
Yo, fuck yeah, yo.
My guy.
Yo, bro. Hey, you guys having a good night?
Yeah, man.
Fuck yeah, you chilling?
Dude, no shit. I was just confirming.
I love you, bro.
Yo, you have a great night. Okay, be safe, okay?
They don't see what's going on behind the camera.
There you go, my friends. Thank you. Absolutely.
I'll show you, I'll show you.
EDC downtown, we're doing free weddings tonight. Go see my girl Rouge. She will set you up with a certificate. Again, they are 100%.
I love it here.
Foxtrot 6-9er. I have been left by myself. They went to the restrooms there. They went to the restrooms over there. And I'm just waiting because I don't have to pee, nor can I force myself to pee. Dustin!
Hey, what up?
That is not Dustin Lee Dustin that I just like recognized.
What's that?
Shut your fucking mouth!
Oh, yeah.
Wow!
I had 3 in my bag. I was like, I wonder if I'll see him today. And I did. This guy gave me this candy right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he does YouTube videos.
Alright, so we're here waiting for her booth thing to get here. Let's go! Alright, so we're gonna get another drink because I'm thirsty as fuck.